Now the next question we have says solve 1 by x plus 1 plus 2 by x plus 2 equal to 4 by x plus 4. We have to solve this using the quadratic formula. So first of all we will have to get this into the form of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Okay, for doing that I will take the LCM of these two. The LCM comes out to be x plus 1 into x plus 2. Okay, this is the LCM, and the numerator comes out to be 2x plus 2 into x plus 1 equal to 4 upon x plus 4. Now taking this to this side and this to this side, we get x plus 2 plus 2 into x plus 1. This whole should be multiplied with x plus 4 equal to 4 into x plus 1 into x plus 2. I just took this to this side and this to this side. Now we will just solve this equation. We will get x plus 2 plus 2x plus 2 into x plus 4 equal to 4 into x square plus 3x plus 2. Okay, now this side what we get is we have 3x plus 4 into x plus 4 equal to 4x square plus 12x plus 12x plus 8. Again a simplified form. We further have to simplify this over this side. We have 3x square plus 4x plus 12x plus 16 equal to 4x square plus 12x plus 8. Now we take this to this side, we get minus of x square. Then we have 16x over this side and 12x this side, so we get plus 4x, and we get plus 8 equal to 0. Now this is the simplified form. We multiply this with minus 1, so we get an equation that is x square minus 4x minus 8 equal to 0. Now this equation is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Now we know the formula is minus b plus minus root of b square minus 4ac upon 4 upon 2a. So this is the formula. We just have to put all these values of a, b and c into this formula. We have a equal to 1, b equal to minus 4 and c equal to minus 8. So now we will just put all these values into this formula. We get minus of minus 4 plus minus root of minus 4 square minus 4 into 1 into minus 8 divided by 2 into 1. This is again the simplified form. This is I've just put all these values into this into the formula. Next what we get is 4 plus minus root of, what do we get from here is this is minus 30, this is 32 plus 16, so root of 48 upon 2. Now simplifying this further, we could take 16 from here outside. 16 into 3 is 48. The square root of 16 is 4, so I will write as 4 plus minus 4 root 3 by 2. Now this thing can again be further simplified into 2 plus minus 2 root 3. Now these are the two roots. We can write these as x equal to 2 plus 2 root 3 and x equal to 2 minus 2 root 3. All these questions are basically calculative questions. You just have to do the calculations. You just have to remember what you have to do and do the calculations. So the result is x is equal to 2 plus 2 root 3 and x is also equal to 2 minus 2 root 3. These are the two roots for this equation.